In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another store to your Shopify account 2025. If you're expanding to a new brand, testing a fresh catalog, or keeping regions separate, adding another store under the same login is a clean and secure way to manage it all. I'll guide you through creating the store, getting past the onboarding prompts, and naming it so it's easy to find later. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the store switcher, open your current store, then look for the option to view all stores. This takes you to a centralized list where you can create and manage every store tied to your account. Click Create Store to begin. Shopify may show a few onboarding screens. If you're asked to extend a trial, answer setup questions, or choose preferences, it's perfectly fine to skip for now. Use the skip button when available, follow the highlighted default selections to proceed, and click Next to continue. Whenever you see options that don't apply yet, like connecting a domain, choosing apps, or importing products, select I'll do this later. Skipping doesn't lock you out of anything. You can complete these tasks anytime from your new store's admin once you're ready. When the new store is created, open it from the prompt or from your All Stores list. You'll land on the dashboard for your freshly created store. Before you go any further, give the store a clear name so it's easy to recognize in the store switcher. Go to your store details, choose Add Store Name, and type the name you want. Keep it short, descriptive, and distinct from your other stores. Remember, this is the internal store name for your admin. Your public domain can be set later. After entering the name, confirm any field prompts and click Save. With the name saved, return to the store switcher and open all stores again. You should now see your new store listed alongside your existing ones, making it simple to jump between them as you work. That's it. You've successfully added another store to your Shopify account. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure you have the right permissions if you're part of a larger team. Billing, plan selection, and payments are handled per store, so review those in settings when you're ready. And if you manage multiple brands, consider consistent naming so your store list stays organized.